So it's been almost 4 months since I bought my graphic tablet, and I have finally started to learn sculpting. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my thoughts after finishing my first sculpt, which I made following the tutorial made by Keelan. I will leave a link for the tutorial video if you want to follow it yourself. So before starting the tutorial, I wanted to get a basic idea of what different types of brushes are there. So I just went around trying every brush on a simple cube which I had subdivided a bunch of times. And while I was doing that, I almost crashed my Blender project twice. I think it was the box trim brush. So after I was done tinkering with all the brushes, I decided to make a simple sculpt of a smiley face. So for that I used an UV sphere and subdivided it, and then I used the clay strips to make the eyes and the mouth. Now that I'm seeing this now, there were a bunch of mistakes that I made. Like I could have turned on the X mirroring, so then it would be more symmetrical. And also when I was painting it, instead of doing the black part first, I should have colored the whole body yellow and then added the details. That would have been much more efficient. After I was done messing around, I finally started to follow the tutorial. So it started with blocking out, and that was pretty simple. It was just simple cubes subdivided couple of times and then just placing it in shape of a face and using the grab brush to refine the shape, and then adding a cylinder for the neck and duplicating the head part to make the ears as well as the torso. The eyes were just UV sphere and the nose was also a duplicate of the head. Blocking out was a simple task, nothing too complicated. This was something that I'm more or less familiar with. After blocking out comes the main part where you remesh the existing model and add details to it. So most of the details like for the eye cavity and stuff was all using the grab brush only, and to get a better result you just need a good control on the brush size, which I don't think I have the hang of just yet. You just use the brush to add the details, and if you end up doing too much, the existing shape just disfigures into completely unknown entity. And then you just keep on repeating this process of remeshing it again and adding more details to it. The face sculpt, although not perfect, was better than I imagined it when I started the project. But when I started to sculpt the ear, it was a fucking nightmare for me. This was probably my second or third attempt at trying to sculpt the same ear, and it just looked weird no matter what I try. I will need a lot more practice to sculpt a proper ear. Then I added few more details to the face and then smoothed out the entire face area and gave the mouth a little bit more detail with the crease brush, and that was giving a better result. After that I started working on the hair part. For that I used a cube and subdivided it, and then used the draw sharp brush to add the details. And here as well, if you don't use the brush precisely, it ends up leaving bald spots on the head, which doesn't really look very nice. Then also added some side hair and the eyebrows, and also added few details to them as well. After that it was time to add the iris to the eye and also the teeth. And after the face area was done, I think that was mostly the sculpting done, because after that it was just the clothing part, and it was pretty simple, not something where you have to use a lot of sculpting tools. So I just made a collar with the cylinder, made the coat and the collar and an inner waist, added few buttons, just following the tutorial as it was going on, and finally a bow tie, and that was the model done. After that it was time to add some colors. I don't know what it is called. I think it's the built-in blender color system. I mostly use the Infanzia's palette texture, but this method was also nice, where you get to color different shades over an existing color. I like that. So after the coloring was done, it was just time to add a few lightings and pose a little bit and then get the final render out. I got the cycles and the EV render both. Generally cycles is better, but the EV one looks nice in this one. And with that, my first sculpting project was over. Well, I say first sculpting project, but the main sculpting part was only the face, and I don't think I did a very good job at that, considering how my ears looked, and the hairs were also not that well defined. But definitely it's a given that first sculpt would not be that awesome. I definitely need more practice. There is a tutorial series from Brian Sculpts where he models a full body character, so I want to try that out as well and hopefully polish my sculpting skills or learn some new tricks to sculpt better. So I will be following that tutorial as well and share my progress after that. Well then, that will be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.